He wasn't big. He was bigger than the little frog said, nuh-uh, he was bigger than the and the eeny frog said, what? He was bigger than the You put the two together and you go, two-way, maremma, two-way. And when you snap your fingers, you don't say anything. All you hear is, the way we play this game, we start off slow and we begin to speed up. Start off slow. And then we speed up. And remember, you have to sing the song. You have to sing the song. 1, 2. Ready? Go. Two-way. Maremma, two-way. Two-way. Maremma, two-way. Just fingers. Two-way. Maremma, two-way. 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 What y'all doing? What? See, we had to stop. We had to stop because some of y'all gonna hurt yourselves all up here and stuff. In many parts of Africa, beehives are made of wood. And they are placed high in the branches of a tree. Twice a year, they are lowered to the ground with a long rope. The honey and wax is taken away. One day, a hunter, she had gathered a huge bundle of wax, and she was on her way back to her village, on her way over here, the village over there. And she heard a noise made by a large monitor lizard. Well, the hunter, she was afraid, so she dropped the wax, and she climbed the tree. Stand up. Hold on to the limb. When safe in the branches of the tree, both hands. Woo. And safe in the branches of the tree, she looked down to see the lizard opening her bundle of wax. But the hole was not large enough for him to draw in his tail. Aha! The hunter, quick to get an opportunity. Hunter, quick, this way, baby. Quick for an opportunity to repay the lizard. Grabbing the tail, don't pull. Grabbing the tail, she said, oh, I have found a tail. It is mine. Oh, no, said the lizard. That is my tail. Leave it alone. Oh, no, said the hunter. This can't be yours. Or you would not have left it. So far behind.